How to select multiple columns by index in a Pandas data frame. Consider that we are given this data frame with 3 rows and 3 columns. The column names are name, quantity and demand. Now to access multiple columns in this data frame using index, we can use iLoc property of the given data frame. To this iLocation property, we can specify the selection of rows and selection of columns in the square brackets. The first part is the selection of rows. Since we need all the rows in the given data frame, we give column symbol. And coming to the columns part, we need to specify the positions of the required columns as a list. The index of the first column is 0, index of the second column is 1, index of the third column is 2. And let us say that we need the first 2 columns. The index of these 2 columns are 0 and 1. Specify them in a list in the column selection part. Now this expression returns a data frame containing only the first and second columns. Let us save it in a variable and print the resulting data frame to the output. Run the program. Only the first 2 columns from the given data frame have been returned to the resulting data frame. Now let us say instead of the first and second columns, consider that we would like to get the second and third columns. The index is 2. Index of the second column is 1 and the index of the third column is 2. We are selecting the second and third columns. Run the program. The second and third columns have been selected in the resulting data frame. Concluding this video, we have seen how to use the iLoc property or integer location based indexing for selection by position in a given data frame. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.